Introducing the Naked Portafilter. This innovative tool helps you achieve the perfect espresso shot by providing visual feedback during extraction. Available in 54mm and 58mm sizes, it features an ergonomic design from stainless steel and walnut timber handle that includes a thumb stop for a comfortable grip. To use, grind fresh coffee beans using the optimal dose and distribute the grounds evenly, ideally using the Distribution Duo 2-in-1 tool. Then, tamp the grounds firmly. Attach the Naked Portafilter to the group head and begin extraction. Watch the espresso flow. A smooth, centered stream indicates a balanced extraction. If the flow concentrates in another area, adjust your grind size, distribution, and tamping technique to improve the next result. After a shot, remove and disassemble the portafilter for thorough cleaning to ensure it stays in top condition. Or, for a thorough clean, use a cleaning tablet to soak the filter basket in hot water for 5 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. The Naked Portafilter helps you fine-tune espresso shots for perfect extraction every time. The Craft Collection by Sage.